Hi there, students. To discard. To discard, to get rid of something because you don't want it anymore, because it's useless, because it's been worn out. So the street was full of discarded cigarette butts and empty cartons, yeah? Things that had been got rid of. The river was full of discarded tires and things like that. Okay, so if you discard something, you get rid of it because you don't want it any longer, or you don't need it any longer. Yeah. So you can physically discard something, throw away. You should read the instructions on the box before discarding it. Yeah, but you could also discard an idea or discard a suggestion because you don't want it. Let's see, I think the primary meaning of discard is when you're playing a card game and you take one card and you need to discard another. Yeah, or it's effectively to throw it away. So either you play it because it's a useful card, or you discard it because you don't want it. Yeah, and you maybe let the other person win the trick. Okay, so effectively to throw out a card. Yeah, so to discard, to not use something anymore. Yeah. When the company fired me, I felt discarded, having given them many years good work. Yeah. To dismiss, to dispose of, to eliminate, to throw away, to get rid of something. Yeah, to discard something that is no longer needed. You cast it aside. You can discard a physical object, but you can discard a habit, or discard a way of life, or discard something that you don't think is a good idea. So he rejected the idea. I've got 4 possibilities here, but I'm going to discard this one because it's not suitable, and then I'm going to discard this one because it's too expensive. So I now need to choose between these two. Okay, so it's like to axe something, to scrap it, to let it go, to get rid of it, because, well, it's not useless, because it's not useful, because it's not the best, maybe because it's defective, or it has something wrong with it. Okay, so I need to discard these empty bottles, to throw them away. Notice, I think to throw away is more just for physical things. You throw something away, you throw it in the bin. Yeah. But maybe I discard an option. Yeah, you know it when I have these questions where you've got to choose between various different words. Well, some of them are obviously wrong, and you can discard those words, and then you need to choose between the ones that are left. Yeah, discarded food containers littered the street. They were everywhere. Yeah, people no longer wanted it. So yes, cut the melon open and discard the seeds. Yeah, if you recycle, then you normally try to make use of things that people have discarded. Yeah, that things have rejected because they're no longer useful, they're no longer desirable, or they're just not the right thing. Okay, so to discard. Okay, formality. I'm going to give this a 5 in formality, maybe 5.5. Use it anywhere. Yeah, use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, to discard, to get rid of a card. So here, also notice in Spanish, descartar has exactly the same meaning. Okay, so to discard something because it's useless. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. discard.